Hello everyone, this is Dr. Arshia. I just wanted to give a brief explanation about how does the new coronavirus make us sick and how it is fatal. In general, there are seven types of different coronaviruses, which four of them are very well known and common between the human. But due to some circumstances, uh, some other coronaviruses, which including MERS, SARS, and recently the COVID-19, the novel coronavirus, they transfer from the animals to the human. And one of the big problem with these viruses is that they cause respiratory syndrome, which is very dangerous. Some other viruses, they just attack the nose cell, but these certain viruses, including the COVID-19, attacking the lung cell. The receptors on the new coronavirus are designed to attach to the lung cells, which means when the coronavirus reaches the lung area, the receptor on the viral envelope effectively connected to the cells of the membranes inside your lung, which it's like a key that opened the door inside the cell, and it allowed the virus to enter the cell at this stage. So after the virus entered the cell, it actually hiding inside the cells, so your immune system is very difficult for it to find it and destroy it. And then inside the cell, the virus hijack the production machinery of the cell, which it for producing protein and DNA and gene material for its own self, and it dictated to produce virus material. So after a while, inside the cell is full of virus particles and RNA, which at some level it will burst the cell and kill the cell and release the new viruses outside. And all these new viruses are capable of infecting the healthy cells in that area. So what happened after many cells inside the lung get infected by the virus? Basically, inside the lung, there are a very small balloon-shaped structure which called alveoli. Alveoles are part of the very important part of the respiratory system, which function is to exchange oxygen and carbon dioxide. By the time the virus infecting these cells get damaged and this area gets swollen. And after the cell get damaged, there will be fluid goes between them and the capillary network of veins, which means this capillary network kind of disattached from the surface of the alveoli, which this interrupt the exchange of the oxygen and carbon dioxide. And the other problem is mostly when the white cell trying to attack and destroy the virus and the damaged cell, they accelerate this problem and they make the area become more swollen, and more fluid will be go out of the cells and cover this area. The more fluid is covering this area, the harder it get for the oxygen to go inside the blood and carbon dioxide to exchange to outside. So basically, the damage that the virus caused to the lung cells is resulting in pneumonia, and which is the swelling of the lungs, and also swelling of the respiratory system. And in this situation, basically, the transfer of the oxygen to the blood and also the carbon dioxide outside the blood will be interrupted by the damage to the cell and also the fluid that covering the alveoli. And in both situation is like drowning inside the fluid of the that is covering inside the lungs. So these are not to be the things I said is just the truth, and I don't want you to be scared or fearful. You should know these are for the severe cases. There are so many cases that people just show the symptom of the normal flu without even detecting that they have a novel coronavirus. But better to know the truth, better to be safe than sorry. And I strongly recommend you to try the herbal remedies that I said for washing your mouth and to protecting your body and bring your immune system higher, and also to try everything including mask and gloves just to prevent and reduce the chance of getting this virus. And I hope you all safe and peace.